Good day, and thank you for the opportunity to welcome you to the realm of cognitive decision making. This is where Diwo works continuously to sense and quantify specific business opportunities before they arise and recommend interactive strategies to address them. As a C-level decision maker, you're acutely aware of the need for a timely understanding of the big picture, and Diwo's Ask module will provide these answers through guided conversation and contextual insights. Paul is a VP in customer service at an automaker. He has been swamped with questions on how warranty performance is impacting both customer satisfaction and sales. He can start by talking to Diwo in the Poet module. Show me the top dealers by warranty claims this month.
Below are top 3 dealers by warranty claims this month. Would you like me to show you the dealer performance? With higher ratios of claims and stock. Focus on top 3 dealers may reduce the overall impact of warranty analytics.
What is the overall cost of warranty for crossover in Southeast region in this month?
As per my analysis, cost of warranty for crossover in Southeast region is $234,231. I can show you the warranty cost breakup for this month. Interested? Early detection of issue in crossover can potentially decrease the warranty cost by 23% in the coming quarter.
What has been the average warranty cost per claim?
Below are the values for average warranty cost per claim in Midwest region. Would you like to see other factors based on their regional growth performance? As per my analysis, most claims from Southeast region are in seat assembly.
Which models are performing worst on warranty claims?
Below are the claims ratio by models. Would you like to see other models based on their attribute performance? As per my analysis, focusing on the top 3 claims driver may reduce the warranty by 58%.
Give us an overview of the warranty cost for Solero crossover.
Below is a summary of warranty costs for Solero crossover. Would you like me to show you the sales according to the weather conditions? Per my analysis, most claims are from Southeast region in seat assembly.
Paul also knows how crucial early issue detection is in avoiding significant warranty costs, so he uses Diwo's Decide feature. Diwo works constantly to sense such scenarios and validates Paul's concern as it identifies a potential $11 million impact in warranty issues, major repercussions if the OEMs aren't alerted in some key areas of concerns. It looks like over 4,500 vehicles can be affected by a seat assembly issue, which would actually impact over 1/3 the total cost. Using Diwo Decisions, Paul is able to get a sense of both the potential problems and what models are most affected. It's critical that he understands the underlying cause of the problem, locate key dealers, and prioritize their triage. Diwo not only does most of the legwork here by segregating the impacted vehicles by issue type, but also helps walk Paul through his resulting decisions. With Diwo, Paul can strategize the next steps of breaking down warranty by issue and model type based on its market impact. He can pinpoint the supplier and shipments to initiate recovery process. Diwo presents the inventory situation across key dealers to address the growing warranty issue, suggesting the most impacted dealers for the issue highlighted. Now Paul can preempt this major setback by equipping the dealer's parts and service. The plan of action is summarized for Paul's team and future reference. By strategizing with Diwo, Paul was able to solve a warranty issue with very significant financial and market repercussions. It's in situations like these where it's quite useful to have Diwo as your sixth sense,